Hey guys, Sean here with Smart Home DIY, and this is the story of a bulb that connected to my smart home and lit up my world. In this series, we're going to be talking about the Cree Smart Connected bulb. In the first video, we're going to talk about why I chose Cree over the rest, do a quick unboxing, and connect it to my smart home, so stay tuned. Alright, as far as lighting is concerned, there are many options that you can choose from. You can get a smart bulb or you can get a smart switch. And the difference is pretty much obvious, but with a smart bulb, you have control of each individual light bulb, which is kind of cool. However, if the switch is ever switched off, this thing is disconnected and you can no longer control it. And that's why you need a switch, a smart switch. However, I don't suggest getting the smart switch and the smart light bulb. So I decided to go with the smart bulb because then I can just leave the switch on for the outside and I can just control it through the app. And so honestly, just think of the pet peeves that you have in your house and then use your smart home to fix those pet peeves. Now my lights come on when I want them to and they shut off before sunrise and they don't stay on all day, and I'm happy. Number one is functionality. Number two, connectivity. I'm using Samsung Smartthings as the backbone to my entire operation here, and I'm also using Amazon Alexa, and Cree connects to both of them. And then that's why I chose Cree, so I don't have to have another bridge. I'd rather have one hub to rule them all, and one app to rule them all, you know? And so that's why I chose Cree, so that it works with my system and makes my life a little bit simpler and easier. All right, let's go on to the unboxing. Alright, so here we have the Cree Connected Light Bulb, Daylight LED 60 watt light bulb that I've purchased from Home Depot. And what I'm going to do now is open it up for you. It cost no more than $12 and it doesn't require a hub, so that's amazing. And so let's just go ahead and get this started. Alright, all we gotta do is cut through this little seal here.
And once you get the box open, it just comes in a sleeve. It has the light bulb in this sleeve and that's it. And the sleeve has directions how to connect the light bulb to the Wink Hub app. But you don't need to worry about that because when you're connecting it straight to Samsung Smartthings in this video.
All right, and so now we're gonna add this light bulb in. Come on down to Cree. Choose your area. And then just let it go. It should recognize the bulb. Okay. And now it is recognized. And we are done. Just to make sure it's in my front yard. Just like that, simple and easy, all set up. Computer, turn on garage door 1. Alexa integration was very simple because after connecting it to Samsung Smartthings, I told Amazon to auto detect the new devices, and the new devices with their new names came online, and I was able to voice control them immediately.
Alright guys, and so that does it for us with the Cree Connected Smart Lightbulb setup. All in all, 5 minutes from unboxing to connected to my smart home. Now I have new garage lights that turn on whenever I come home late at night. Also, they come on after sunset. It's a very nice addition to the home, to the smart home edition. I sincerely suggest that you get one too if you have a smart home setup like Samsung Smartthings or Alexa. Anyways, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and also hit that bell icon so that you can be notified for any new future videos that come out in the future. Alright, so that's it for me. That's it for us. Thank you very much. Have a good day.